My name is Bruno Serrato, but call me Chef Bruno.
Bruno Serrato left Italy 30 years ago with an American dream and $200 in his pocket. He now owns the Anaheim White House restaurant, and his favorite customers are also his smallest.
In 2005, he asked her mom to go to the Boys Girls Club with me just to say hi to the kids. This is when I was making aware of a child live in a motel in the city of Anaheim. The director said he will not have dinner tonight. Mom told me, Bruno, why don't you feed him a little pasta? The director, before I walked out, said, Bruno, hold on 1 second. We don't have one kid only today. We do have 75 kids. And Mom said, what's the difference between one kid and 75 kids? Let's feed them all of them tonight. I was like, okay, Mom.
For 7 years, Chef Bruno has served kids a hot meal every day. His efforts have been awarded with celebrity status.
CNN called me and they told me, Bruno, you are one of the top 10 CNN honorees. I feel good about it and what I'm doing. I'm making a difference. I give hope for the community or the people who need it the most.
Chef Bruno inspires others and encourages them to follow in his footsteps.
There's a lot to do in our country, in our own county, in our own city, in our own backyard. Let's stop to just talk about it, but let's start to do something about it. If you don't see it, because you didn't open your eyes. Open your eyes, you will see it.
Bruno Serrato has served almost 500,000 free meals. If you want to help end hunger in Anaheim, drop off a box of spaghetti during your next fine dining experience. Here at the Anaheim White House restaurant, I'm Nicole Hornaday, Chapman News.